switch swing squats. Set up with the club around about 10 to 12 inches in front of the body. Okay, and then from there we've got our feet run about shoulder width apart. We're going to drive those hips back, feel the stretch onto the hamstrings. Okay, so we're going to do a single arm swing. Okay, so we're going to hike that club back towards the hips, and then from there we've got our head at 10 o'clock, butt at 4 o'clock. Okay, short, sharp drive through the hips, power that club forward. As the club's going forward, we're going to bring the other hand out just to give us a little bit more support. It's a very challenging movement if you're going with a heavier weight. So we're going to use two hands to perform our flag press type movement. Both arms are locked out, both shoulders are down and packed down. We're going to catch it in that squat position. Then from there, we're going to switch hands, cast that club forward with the left hand. Again, we'll do our swing. Then we're going to power that club forward. As you power that club forward, you drop straight down into the squat and then catch it with the other hand as well. So we're alternating between sides. All right, I'm just going to do a few reps to show you what it looks like. So we'll do our single arm swing, catch it in the other hand, cast the other hand, catch it at the bottom. Just making sure that those arms are fully locked out and you wait for that club to connect to the body before you hinge. Okay, so that's our switch swing squats. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available on Amazon and through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.